Lainey, what are you wearing? Oh, you took them off, huh? What is that? Those your glasses? Uh-oh, you missed your head. I know, it's upsetting. You want help? Look at all that curly hair in the back. Yeah, it's hard. You're going over your face. I know. You want help? Come here. Mommy help. Here we go. Uh-oh. Just right here. You look pretty good in those. Yeah. Delaney, where's Violet? Baby. Hi. Hi. This glasses thing is hard to figure out. Right over the head, huh? You need help? Okay, we'll try it again. Okay, we'll go right here. Wee!
Wee baby.
Wee baby. That means sweet baby. Yeah, sweet baby. Say bye-bye, sweet baby. Bye-bye.